Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. In the last part, in third video class, we have discussed about the preparations of carboxylic acids, one from Grignard reagent and one more from oxidation of primary alcohols, and next one we have prepared from hydrolysis of cyanides or nitriles. Okay na? And remaining two methods of preparations are there that we are going to be discussed now. Okay na beta? Good. In that, method number 5 is from hydrolysis of esters. So by using esters upon hydrolysis, now we are going to prepare the carboxylic acids. But listen carefully, hydrolysis of ester is going to be takes place in two mediums, one in acidic medium and one more in basic medium. In two mediums, two different types of reaction going to be takes place, but the products are same. Reactant and product both are same, but going mechanism is different now. Okay, all of you? Yes. So let me consider first of all, how does esters undergoes hydrolysis in acidic medium. For that, I am going to give you the statement. We have to consider the ester. Esters, they are undergoing what kind of hydrolysis, means reaction with water molecule. Esters upon hydrolysis, let me consider first of all in acidic medium. That means we can consider the dilute mineral acids. Dilute mineral acids. So which type of mineral acids we can consider? If you want, you can consider HCl, hydrochloric acid. If you want, you can consider dilute H2SO4, sulfuric acid. If you want, you can consider dilute HNO3. They are known as mineral acids. Mineral acids. Okay. So esters on hydrolysis with the dilute mineral acids, they are going to form maybe two products. One is nothing but the carboxylic acid, and one more is nothing but the alcohol. So these two products must be common in all hydrolysis of ester reactions. So esters on hydrolysis in acidic medium, and we have to say that in presence of mineral acids forms carboxylic acids and alcohol. This is the reverse definition of esterification. What is meant by esterification? Carboxylic acids on reaction with alcohol, they forms the ester, and the method is called esterification. So reverse manner. Okay, all of you? Anyway, esters on hydrolysis in acidic medium, they forms the carboxylic acids and alcohol. Let me go for reaction. What is the formula of ester? Come on, try to say. The general formula of ester is R bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to O, again O bonded to R. One R form changes into carboxylic acid and another R form it changes into the alcohol. But sir, which R form changes into acid and which R1 changes into alcohol? To show the variation in that ester formula, we have to denote here R prime. Now we can easily identify which part changes into the product. Okay, yes, this is your formula of what, Nana? Ester. So what is the formula of ester? R bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to O, O bonded to R, C O O R. This group should be fixed in all esters. Okay, na? Yes. And it connected to, it reacts with what, Nana? Water molecule. Simply we can say it undergo hydrolysis. So esters here, they are undergoing hydrolysis. In the medium is nothing but what, Nana? Dilute mineral acids. Esters, they are undergoing hydrolysis in presence of dilute mineral acid. Simply you can consider that dilute HCl. If you want, you can consider dilute H2SO4 also. And you will get acid and alcohol. This reaction can be takes place in reverse na beta because of esterification. So we can say that this reaction we have to write with what, Nana? Reversible symbol, forward and backward symbol. Anyway, in presence of dilute mineral acids, esters, they are undergoing hydrolysis. During hydrolysis, bond is going to be takes place between carbon to oxygen. R bonded to C double bond O. This form must be converted into carboxylic acid. So we can write R bonded to C double bond O. OH we have to consider from water molecule. Remaining water molecule contain H plus that reacts upon RO, nothing but changes into alcohol. So remaining is R prime O. Okay, here I am going to write here R prime O. O contain which has minus, it was added by H plus. Okay, we have to say that OH now. So here the first product we have to say that carboxylic acid, and next product here I am going to tell you that is nothing but what, Nana? Alcohol. Okay, all of you, Nana. Now I am going to give you the example. So let me consider example number 1. Here also I want to consider 2 examples. One for the preparation of aliphatic acid and one more for the preparation of aromatic acid. Okay, na? Yes. So let me consider one example of ester. In the place of R, I am going to write CH3. CH3 bonded to C double bond O. C double bond O connected to oxygen. Again, oxygen connected to another alkyl group. Let me consider R and R prime. 2 groups are different. If you want, you can consider same, but I want to show you different. Okay, now. Yes, in the place of R, I have written methyl. Now, in the place of R prime, I am going to write the ethyl. So, R and R prime, we can consider same or different, but here, as for example, I have taken 2 different groups. Yes. So, what is the name of this compound? CH3COO, looking like acetate. Which acetate? Ethyl acetate. This is your ester name. So name of this ester is nothing but the ethyl acetate, common name, and ethyl ethanoate, this is IUPAC name. Okay, good. So ethyl acetate, it undergo the process hydrolysis. Hydrolysis going to be takes place in presence of what, Nana? Dilute mineral acids. You can consider a dilute HCl or H2SO4 as you wish. So esters upon hydrolysis in presence of dilute mineral acids, the bond going to be cleavage between carbon to oxygen. So what is the first half form? R C double bond O form must changes into carboxylic acid. Here is a CH3 C double bond O form must changes into CH3 bonded to C double bond O. From water molecule of H2O, we have to take the OH group. So you are getting the carboxylic acid. The name is nothing but what, Nana? Acetic acid. Remaining of is C2H5O minus. It was added by H plus. So the byproduct is C2H5 bonded to OH. Simply we can say that ethyl alcohol, and also we can say that ethanol. Okay, now. So preparation of aliphatic acid means acetic acid we did from ethyl acetate. Now I want to go for preparation of benzoic acid. For that purpose I am going to show you another example. So in the place of R we have written CH3, that means acetic acid. In the place of R I am going to write benzene. You will get benzoic acid. Okay. In the place of R I am going to write benzene. Logically how to be think, Nana? Okay, now sare question ratta marna, that is not good way. Shortly how to think? Okay, R plus में CH3 acetic acid, R plus में benzene benzoic acid. So benzene bonded to C double bond O. I have written here. C double bond O connected to here O, again O connected to. Okay, here you can write any group as you wish. If we consider here methyl, you will get the methyl alcohol. In the place of R prime, you can write ethyl, you will get the ethyl alcohol. Like that, various types of alcoholic products you can get on. That means, in the place of R, if you wrote methyl, आपने को methyl alcohol मिलेगा. You can write ethyl, you will get the ethyl alcohol. You can write benzene, you will get the phenol. Like that. Anyway, here also I am going to write same like above. That is nothing but the ethyl. So it undergo the process is nothing but what, Nana? Hydrolysis procedure in presence of dilute mineral acids. So in presence of dilute mineral acids. Listen carefully. What is the name of this compound? This is ethyl group. This is acetate. Ethyl acetate. What about this? Again, this is ethyl, but this is a benzoate group, looking like benzoic acid. Benzene COOH. H remove karo. That's why it becomes benzoate. Which benzoate? Ethyl benzoate. So the side chain is C2H5. That means we have to say that ethyl. Remaining looking like benzoic acid salt form, so we can say that benzoate, ethyl benzoate. What about above one? Ethyl acetate. In the place of CH3 we have written benzene, so we can say ethyl benzoate. Ethyl benzoate upon hydrolysis, 100% esters upon hydrolysis, bond breaking takes place between carbon to oxygen. CH3 C double bond O changes into acetic acid, benzene C double bond O changes into benzoic acid by taking OH from the water molecule. So what is the final product here? We can write benzene, benzene bonded to C double bond O. From water molecule we have to consider the OH group. So the name of this product is nothing but what, Nana? Benzoic acid. What is the name of this product? Benzoic acid. And what will be the byproduct here? C2H5O minus means ethoxy ion takes H plus from the water molecule. We will write the byproduct. The byproduct is nothing but what, Nana? Ethyl alcohol. Very, very, very important reaction. So preparation of aliphatic acid means acetic acid, and preparation of aromatic acid benzoic acid. We did from hydrolysis of esters in the medium is nothing but acidic medium. Okay, good. Now I am going to consider the hydrolysis of esters. This one we did in acidic medium. Now I am going to consider for basic medium. Right. So for that also I am going to give you the statement. So the statement is which product, Nana? The reactants are nothing but the esters. Esters, they undergo the reaction, that is nothing but the hydrolysis. Esters, they are undergoing hydrolysis. Now in the medium is what? Basic medium. Mean we have to consider the aqueous alkali. What, Nana? Aqueous alkali means you can take aqueous NaOH, aqueous KOH. Base must be required because of first one is the hydrolysis in mineral acid, second one is hydrolysis in alkali condition or basic condition. Yes, esters upon hydrolysis in acid, you will get directly two products, but esters on hydrolysis in basic medium. Esters on hydrolysis in basic medium, it forms first of all one intermediate. The intermediate is very, very important name. It is known as carboxylate ion. It is known as what, beta? Carboxylate ion. Or simply you can say that, okay, the intermediate is nothing but the carboxylates. What is the intermediate you are getting? Carboxylates. Along with the formation of carboxylates, you are getting one main product. The main product is nothing but the what, Nana? Ethanol, and also we can say that alcohol. What happened here in ester? The esters in acidic medium, upon hydrolysis in acidic medium, they forms one is carboxylic acid, one more is alcohol. At a time you are getting, Nana. But in basic medium, in step 1 you will get the alcohol, and in step 2 you will get the carboxylic acids. Sir, how to get the carboxylic acid? Listen. Esters upon hydrolysis in aqueous basic medium and in alkali medium, you are getting two products. One is carboxylate ion, this is unstable intermediate salt form, and one more is main product alcohol. Okay, alcohol is a main product, we have to separate it. One more is carboxylate ion. Such carboxylates are followed by, they undergo the process acidification. What, beta? Acidification. What is mean by acidification? Reaction with acid. Or simply you can do that. Again we can do hydrolysis in the medium is nothing but acidic medium. So hydrolysis in acidic medium, simply you can consider dilute HCl. Dilute mean aqueous water condition. HCl, you did provide H plus ion. So simply hydrolysis is going to be takes place in acidic medium. Otherwise simply you can write acidification. No problem, as you wish. You can write water or you can write HCl, as you wish. Anyway, carboxylates upon acidification or hydrolysis in acidic medium, finally it is going to form the product. The product is nothing but the carboxylic acid. The product is nothing but what, Nana? Carboxylic acid. Now you focus on the reaction. Esters upon hydrolysis in mineral acids. At a time you will get the two main products. One is acid, one more is alcohol. But when esters upon hydrolysis in basic medium, it going to be processed in two steps. In step 1 you are getting carboxylates and alcohol. One alcohol main product you got, beta. But one more unstable form is there. Some unstable salt form is there. That is nothing but the carboxylates. Such carboxylates, they undergoes acidification or we can say they undergoes hydrolysis. And finally, such carboxylates are changes into the carboxylic acids. So after second step, you got carboxylic acid, and in first step, you got alcohol. Here also same thing, acid and alcohol. यहाँ पर भी same thing, acid and alcohol. But mechanism proceeding way is different. Okay, now I am going to show you the reaction. Let me consider first of all one general equation. So what is the general formula of ester? R bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to O, again O connected to what beta R, C double bond O, R. Name of this compound is nothing but ester, you know very well. Again to show the variation, denote here R prime, same like above. Now it undergo reaction with what Nana? Hydrolysis. Means particularly you don't need to add water molecule. Simply alkali means with base contain which nature? Aqueous nature, means water nature, man. Okay, so esters first of all they are undergoing reaction with what Nana? Aqueous NaOH, that means undergoing reaction with aqueous alkali. Now what will be happen? Listen carefully. Again same thing in basic medium also. Bond breaking going to be takes place between carbon to oxygen. Here also bond breaking going to be takes place between carbon to oxygen. RO, nothing but alkoxy group. RO contain the charges minus. Okay, R, listen carefully. Yes, here I have written R bonded to O, R prime bonded to O. After breaking of this bond, oxygen contains charge minus. That O minus goes to be attacked by H plus from alkali. So simply you can write that ROH. This is your main product. The main product is nothing but alcohol. In step 1 only we will get the alcohol. Okay, alcohol आपने को मिल गया. How you got the alcohol? R prime O, alkoxy contain minus. It will take H plus from alkali. And here you got the product, that is nothing but alcohol is the product now. Okay, good. Next one is, here I am going to consider, that is nothing but the R bonded to C, C connected to double bond O group. Okay, I have written here C connected to what beta? Double bond O group. Remaining here from alkali NaOH, I mean from aqueous NaOH, H we have taken in the alcoholic product formation. Remaining O Na group is there. Such O Na group I am going to be added here. Now the formula is looking like R bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to O, and O connected to Na. R C O Na. Looking like carboxylic acid. What is the formula of carboxylic acid? R bonded to COO. R bonded to COO. Looking like carboxylic acid, but H replaced by sodium, means we can say that sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid. And we can say shortly the name of this compound is called sodium carboxylate. Sodium carboxylate. Anna slow. Sodium carboxylate. Okay. Such sodium carboxylate followed by undergo what Nana? Acidification. You can write dilute HCl. You can write dilute H2SO4. Otherwise you can do hydrolysis in acidic medium. Hydrolysis in acidic medium as you wish. Okay na? Now sodium carboxylate upon hydrolysis in acidic medium, bond going to be break between carbon to oxygen. Again RC double bond O group, like this RC double bond O group changes into carboxylic acid. Okay, RC double bond O group changes into the product is nothing but what Nana? Carboxylic acid. Remaining NaO, nothing but O contain charges minus. It will take H plus from the water molecule. You will get the byproduct is nothing but what Nana? NaOH. So NaOH starting में use किया ना बेटा, it going to be act as catalytic base after the formation of main product carboxylic acid. You are getting the catalyst as it is. If you want you can write, otherwise leave it as you wish. So your main product is carboxylic acid that you are getting after second step, and one more product is alcohol, that one you are getting immediately in first step. Okay now? Right. Now for this reaction I am going to consider one example. Are you clear Nana? Once again clear cut statement. Esters upon hydrolysis in acidic medium forms carboxylic acid and alcohol. Esters upon hydrolysis in basic medium forms carboxylic acids and alcohol. But in acidic medium you are getting directly product, only single step we can write. But in basic medium we are writing two steps. In step 1 we are getting alcohol and sodium carboxylate. And in step 2 you are getting carboxylic acid, that is nothing but acidification step. Okay now? Based on this medium only I want to give you one example. Yes. So let me consider example beta. Example for ester. CH3 bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to O, and O bonded to C2H5. Same ester I have taken, which I have taken in previous topic now. Yes, this is what ethyl and looking like acetate. So name of this ester is nothing but the ethyl acetate. What is the name of this ester? Ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate. It undergo the process, that is nothing but what Nana? Alkaline hydrolysis means we can consider reaction with aqueous NaOH. Reaction with aqueous NaOH. And in acidic medium direct step is there, you know very well. But in basic medium NaOH, how many steps are there? 2 steps. Number 1 reaction with aqueous NaOH, number 2 is acidification. But acidification is okay, reversible symbol, but aqueous NaOH is reversible symbol. Clear? First one is reversible, second one is irreversible. So what is the example here? Ethyl acetate, it is an example of what? Ester. It undergo hydrolysis using aqueous NaOH, so bond breaking between carbon to oxygen. C2H5O minus ethoxy that takes hydrogen and goes to be removed in the form of alcohol. The alcohol is nothing but ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH, like this alcohol. Next one is nothing but sodium carboxylate, CH3 bonded to C double bond O. Okay, I am going to write here CH3 bonded to C double bond O. Remaining, H given here alcohol, remaining is ONA. That ONA I am going to write here as it is. Same looking like sodium carboxylate. In the form of R, CH3 is there, so we can say that sodium acetate. Okay now, followed by it undergo the process acidification, and also we can say that hydrolysis in which medium? Acidic medium. Bond breaking takes place between carbon to oxygen. NaO takes one hydrogen and removed in the form of NaOH. Remaining OH minus water molecule, it attacks upon CH3 C double bond O. So CH3 bonded to C double bond O, I have written there as it is. From water molecule we have to take OH group. So I have written OH. So name of this compound is nothing but what beta? Acetic acid. What is the compound? Acetic acid. So in step 1, upon reaction with aqueous alkali, here you are getting alcoholic product. And upon second step, that is nothing but acidification, and simply we can say hydrolysis in acidic medium, that going to form the product is nothing but what, Nana? Acetic acid. Clear? Yes. Next go for method number 6 one and last and final method in the preparation of what, Nana? Carboxylic acids. Yes. Last and final method in the preparations of carboxylic acids from acid halides. Next, and also we can say that from acid anhydrides, and also we can consider from acid amides, from acid amides. All they are having a particular relation with us. So from acid halides and from acid anhydrides and from acid amides, all they are having same type of mechanism, and all they are upon hydrolysis they forms the acid, carboxylic acid. Okay, so let me consider one by one. Yes, first of all I am going to explain about the from acid halides. So directly I am going to go through the what, Nana? Reaction only. Acid halide formula: R bonded to C double bond O, So from acid halide and from acid anhydrides and from acid amides, upon hydrolysis, all these three products they forms the carboxylic acids. That is the story. Okay, R bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to X. This is nothing but the acid halide. Otherwise, you can write the, here I am going to write the Cl. No problem. Okay, if you want, you can write X only. So name of this compound is nothing but the acid halide. What beta? Acid halide. And also you can consider acyl halide, and also we can consider acetyl halide. Like the formulas you know very well. Yeah. So acid halide, it undergo the process is nothing but hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is going to be takes place same nana like ester only. Esters upon hydrolysis in acidic and basic. Here also acid halides, acid halide, or we can say acyl halide. Upon hydrolysis in acidic or basic medium, it forms the product is H plus from water molecule combines with X minus, goes to be removed in the form of HX. From water molecule we remove H, remaining is OH, that OH attacks upon RC double bond O. What is your product? Yes, R bonded to C double bond O from water molecule OH. That means we are getting the product is nothing but the carboxylic acids. Right. So let me consider now example. The example is number one example I am going to consider. Again here I want to prepare two. One is aliphatic, one is aromatic acid. Okay, in the place of CH3. CH3 bonded to C double bond O. C double bond O bonded to X. The X place we can replace by the Cl or Br as you wish. So this is nothing but acid halide. An example we can say that acid chloride, and shortly we can say that acyl chloride. Otherwise we can say that acetyl chloride. All the words are same. Okay. When acyl chloride undergo the process is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is going to be takes place in the medium is nothing but what? Acidic and basic medium. H plus combines with Cl, goes to be eliminated in the form of HCl. Remaining from water molecule OH is there. That left OH attacks upon CH3 C double bond O group. So we are going to get the product is CH3 C double bond O bonded to OH. So name of this product is nothing but what? Acetic acid. What is the product? Acetic acid. Next I am going to consider another example. In the place of R I am going to write benzene. So C6H5, otherwise you can write directly benzene. Benzene bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to Cl. So we can say the name of this compound is nothing but what? Benzol chloride. Which chloride? Benzol, not benzyl. Okay, beta. Benzol chloride upon hydrolysis. Hydrolysis in the medium is nothing but either acidic or in what? Basic medium. H plus or OH minus medium. H plus combines with Cl. Again we have to eliminate in the form of HCl. Remaining from water molecule OH is there. That OH attacks upon the benzol group. What is the formula of benzol? Benzene bonded to C double bond O. And also we can say that C6H5 bonded to C double bond O. And from water molecule we have to consider that is nothing but what? OH group. So name of this product is nothing but the benzoic acid. Which acid? Benzoic acid. Okay. So by using acid halides upon hydrolysis, in acidic or basic medium, it forms the carboxylic acids. So from acid halides upon hydrolysis, we can prepare aliphatic and aromatic acids. Okay, na beta. Next one is by using second category. I am going to explain nothing but using acid anhydrides. Okay, let me consider here acid anhydride. The general formula of acid anhydride is R bonded to C double bond O, R bond C double bond O, taken twice and outside it connected to oxygen. This is your formula of acid anhydride. Acid anhydrides, simply we have to again same statement, undergoes hydrolysis in acidic and basic medium. Again it forms the product is carboxylic acids. But listen carefully. Here in this reaction, how many RC double bond O groups are there? 2 moles. RC double bond O taken twice. That means in this reaction we are going to get the 2 moles of RC double bond O group. And for water molecule, okay, 2 hydrogens are there, and here 1 oxygen, here 1 more extra oxygen, 2 hydrogen, 2 oxygen. That means we can write 2 moles of OH group. What beta? 2 moles of OH group. Nothing much. We are getting here 2 moles of carboxylic acid. What we are getting? 2 moles of carboxylic acid. And here no more byproduct, nothing. Only one and only product, that is your carboxylic acid. What about from acid halides? Acid halides upon hydrolysis, they forms only 1 mole of carboxylic acid and 1 more is HX is the byproduct. But from acid anhydrides, when they undergoes hydrolysis, they gives only 2 moles of what na? Carboxylic acid. Okay na? Good. Now I am going to consider the examples. Again let me consider 2 examples. One for the preparation of acetic acid and another for the preparation of benzoic acid. Question is dead easy. Simply in the place of R, we have to write CH3. अपने को acetic acid मिलेगा. In the place of R, simply write benzene. You will get the product is nothing but what na? Benzoic acid. So example number 1 is I am going to consider that R going to replace by CH3. So CH3 bonded to C double bond O taken twice. CH3 bonded to C double bond O. C double bond O taken twice and it connected to O. So this is an example of what Nana? It is an example of acid anhydride, but looking like coming from which acid? Acetic acid. So we have to say that it is known as acetic anhydride. So we have to say that it is known as what Nana? Acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride followed by it undergo hydrolysis in the medium is nothing but the acidic and basic medium. Acidic and basic medium. So same thing, R replaced by CH3. Here also R replaced by CH3. Everything is same beta. So in this reaction we are getting the product is 2 moles of acetic acid. We are getting the product is nothing but what Rana? 2 moles of acetic acid. 2 moles of what beta? Acetic acid. Next one is, here I am going to consider another example. Anna, voice question. R replaced by no benzene beta. Okay? Right. Now benzene replaced by the C double bond O. C double bond O. All taken twice, it connected to O. So what is the name of this compound? R replaced by CH3, looking like acetate form, so acetic anhydride. And this is we can definitely guess Nana, it will become from 2 moles of benzoic acid. So we can say that name of this compound is called benzoic anhydride. Acetic anhydride upon hydrolysis gives 2 moles of acetic acid. Benzoic anhydride again upon hydrolysis in acidic or basic medium, it's going to form the product is nothing but what Nana? 2 moles of benzene is there, means we will get the 2 moles of benzoic acid. Everything going to be balanced beta. So 2 moles of benzene, benzene bonded to C double bond O, it connected to OH. So name of this product simply we have to say that what Nana? Benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Okay? Yeah, so esters upon hydrolysis always they gives 2 moles of carboxylic acid. Acetic anhydride gives 2 moles of acetic acid. Benzoic anhydride gives 2 moles of benzoic acid. No more elimination, no more byproduct, nothing now. One and only product, that to carboxylic acid, always how many moles? 2 moles we will get now. Last and final. From acid amides upon hydrolysis. Already this reaction already I have told you in the last class. So let me consider C. What is the compound? Acid amide. What is the formula of acid amide? R bonded to C double bond O. C double bond O bonded to NH2. What is the name of this compound? Amide, and also we can say that acid amide. when acid amides undergoes hydrolysis. Hydrolysis going to be takes place in the presence of what, Nana? Acidic or basic media. Same thing, bond breaking between carbon to oxygen. Our C double bond O group changes into carboxylic acid by taking OH from water molecule. Remaining H plus attacks upon NH2, so we will get the product is nothing but what, Nana? NH3, ammonia gas. Already I have told you, Nana. So acid amides upon hydrolysis, they are going to form the product is nothing but the carboxylic acids. Let me consider example. Example number 1 is, in the place of R, I am going to write CH3. CH3 bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to NH2. Name of this compound is nothing but acetamide. You know that, Nana. Acetamide upon hydrolysis. Acetamide upon hydrolysis in acidic or what, beta? Basic medium. NH2 group takes H plus from water molecule and goes to be eliminated in the form of ammonia. From water molecule we have taken H and removed in the form of NH3. Remaining OH group from water attacks upon acetate. So CH3 bonded to C double bond O. It will take OH from water molecule. Acetamide upon hydrolysis, it going to form the product is nothing but what, Nana? Acetic acid. Acetic acid. So acetamide gives acetic acid. In the place of CH3 you can write benzene. That means benzamide. Benzamide upon hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. That one I am going to write now. Okay, example 2. Benzene bonded to C double bond O. C double bond O bonded to NH2. So name of this compound is called benzamide. Benzamide upon hydrolysis. Hydrolysis going to be takes place in acidic and what, Nana? Basic medium. NH2 takes hydrogen from water molecule and goes to be eliminated from the ammonia. And benzene bonded to C double bond O. Okay, this group I am going to write here as it is. Benzene bonded to C double bond O. And from water molecule H plus and OH minus, H plus combines with NH2 removed in the form of NH3. Remaining group is nothing but OH. So benzene bonded to C double bond O and OH. What is the name of this compound? Benzoic acid. Okay. So in that manner, you can consider all three. From acid halide, we prepared acetic acid and benzoic acid. From acid anhydride, we prepared acetic acid and benzoic acid. From acid amide, we prepared acetic acid and benzoic acid. Upon all the method is nothing but only the concept is hydrolysis. Okay. So acid halides and acid anhydrides and acid amides, all these three compounds, when they undergoes hydrolysis, they forms the common product is nothing but the carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acid. Not only these three, before this we have discussed about ester. So one is ester, one more is acid halide, one more is acid anhydride, and one more is acid amide. All these four compounds, when they undergoes hydrolysis in acidic and basic medium, they forms carboxylic acid. Must and should apply the common condition. Okay. So how many compounds? 4 compounds. All the 4 undergoes hydrolysis. But the question is, among these 4, which compound easily and fastly undergoes hydrolysis? Very, very, very important and so many times repeated question in the competitive exams. 1, 2, 3. 3 compounds are here and one more is ester. All 4 undergoes hydrolysis. All they are forming carboxylic acid. But which compound easily undergoes hydrolysis? Answer is number 1, acid halide. X minus is best living group, halogen group, Nana. Okay, so the order is order of hydrolysis. Order of hydrolysis. How many compounds? 4 compounds. So all 4 upon hydrolysis gives carboxylic acids, but which easily undergoes hydrolysis? Number 1, that is nothing but the R bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to X. Nothing but acid halides. It contains more rate of hydrolysis, more speed towards the hydrolysis. Next one is acid anhydride. R bonded to C double bond O, taken twice O. Next one is not acid amide. One more compound, ester. What is the formula of ester? R bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to R. ester. And last and final, acid amide. The formula of acid amide is R bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to NH2. So acid halides, they contain more rate of hydrolysis, and amides, they contain less rate of hydrolysis. Acid halides and acid anhydrides, and esters, and final one is nothing but what, Nana? Acid amides. That is very, very important order for all the competitive exams. So all these four compounds upon hydrolysis, what is the common product? Carboxylic acids. So up to now, all the methods of preparations of carboxylic acids we have completed as per the NCERT textbook. Okay, now beta, good. So on the basis of all the methods of preparations of carboxylic acids inside the NCERT textbook, some in-text questions are given, Nana. Such in-text questions are very important for theory exam, board exam, Nana, last exam, and also important for competitive exams. So what are the in-text questions are given on the basis of preparations of carboxylic acids? That one I am going to tell you just around 3 to 4 minutes, Nana. Okay. Yes. Question number 1 is, give the preparation of benzoic acid. Give the preparation of benzoic acid by using following reagents. Only benzoic acid को prepare करना पड़ेगा. Prepare benzoic acid from number 1 reagent I am going to give you, that is nothing but the ethyl benzene. What is the first compound? Ethyl benzene. Yes. So by using ethyl benzene, how to prepare benzoic acid? Shall I continue? Answer. Right. Let me read what is the formula of ethyl benzene. Ethyl benzene formula is nothing but the benzene bonded to C2H5. This is your, what is the compound name? Ethyl benzene. Ethyl benzene undergo the process oxidation. Oxidation takes place using alkaline KMnO4. Alkaline KMnO4. I have told you method number 1 preparation. Alkyl benzenes upon oxidation with alkaline KMnO4, the side chain gets oxidized into COOH. But before that, we will get one intermediate. Benzene bonded to COOK, potassium benzoate, followed by we have to do what, Nana? Hydrolysis in the medium is nothing but acidic medium. K removed in the form of now KOH, and remaining from water molecule H plus replace the position of K. You are going to get the position is nothing but what, Nana? The group is nothing but benzoic acid. So reactant name is ethyl benzene. They are asking, give the conversion of ethyl benzene to benzoic acid. So just one word, ethyl benzene upon oxidation with alkaline KMnO4 and followed by hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. So in this reaction, what is the intermediate? The intermediate is, we have to say that potassium benzoate. So what is the intermediate beta? Potassium benzoate. Clear. Next conversion is, I am going to write here, first suppose benzene bonded to CH double bond CH2. This is called vinyl benzene, or we can say phenyl ethene. So inside the textbook, NCERT textbook, in text question, they have given phenyl ethene. What they have given, beta? Phenyl ethene. Phenyl ethene double bond. So phenyl ethene, again same procedure, using how phenyl ethene changes into benzoic acid. Same thing upon oxidation with what, Nana? Alkaline KMnO4. Upon oxidation with alkaline KMnO4, entire side chain oxidizes into the potassium salt of carboxylic acid, so COOK, and in potassium benzoate, followed by it undergo hydrolysis in acidic medium, otherwise simply you can write H3O+, K removed in the form of what Nana? KOH, and potassium benzoate gets oxidized into what Nana? Benzoic acid. So this is your final product, benzoic acid. Next question they have said that how does give the preparation of benzoic acid from acetophenone. What is the formula of acetophenone? Benzene bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to CH3. Name of this compound is nothing but what Nana? Acetophenone. Acetophenone. So how does acetophenone undergoes changes into the benzoic acid? Same thing. It's going to be act as side chain. It's going to be act as side chain upon oxidation. Oxidation with what Nana? Alkaline KMnO4. Again same thing in presence of alkaline KMnO4. Entire side chain oxidizes into COOK. I mean potassium benzoate we are getting. So potassium benzoate unstable form followed by hydrolysis in what? Acidic medium. K goes to be removed in the form of KOH, and remaining here we are going to get the product is nothing but what Nana? Benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. So how? Okay, give the preparation of benzoic acid from acetophenone. Statement 1. Acetophenone upon oxidation with alkaline KMnO4 followed by hydrolysis gives what Nana? Benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Last and final conversation. I am going to tell you here. Bromobenzene. How bromobenzene converted into benzoic acid. So first of all we have to do one thing. Bromobenzene undergo reaction with magnesium in presence of dry ether, looking like a Grignard reagent preparation. So RMgX. What is mean by R? Equals to benzene connected to Mg, Mg connected to Br, looking like phenyl magnesium bromide. Phenyl magnesium bromide. Simply it undergoes carboxylation, means reaction with dry ice in presence of dry ether, and followed by hydrolysis in acidic medium. It going to form the product is nothing but what Nana? Benzoic acid. What is the product? Yes, here we are going to get the product is nothing but the benzoic acid. Remaining byproduct is MgBrOH2, means hydroxy magnesium bromide. Okay, so benzoic acid. Give the preparations of benzoic acids. Number 1 from ethyl benzene. Next one is phenylethene. Next one is from acetophenone. And last one is nothing but what Nana? From bromobenzene. From bromobenzene. Okay, all of you? Understand better? All 4 are very, very important. So one small question. Give the conversion of cyclohexene. Give the conversion of cyclohexene to hexane 1,6 dioic acid. Hexane 1,6 dioic acid. Cyclohexene. What is the formula of cyclohexene? Yes, benzene. I mean 6-membered ring cyclo. Total 6 carbons are there. Hex and double bond is ene. Cyclohexene. Cyclohexene. It undergo the process oxidation. Oxidation takes place using acidified potassium permanganate. So simply here bond breaking going to be takes place. Double bond cut ho jata beta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I am going to write here 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, and this is the 5th carbon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You suppose 5, this is nothing but 6. 5th carbon attacked by 1 oxygen. This is the 5th carbon, it attacked by 2 oxygen. Again below is 6th carbon is there, it also attacked by 2 oxygen. But 5th carbon and 6th carbon, they are having one hydrogen. Okay, here I am writing OH, here also I am writing OH. So simply we can say that After breaking off double bond upon oxidation with acidified KMnO4, fifth carbon changes into COOH and sixth carbon also changes into COOH. Otherwise we can say that first carbon and second carbon, first carbon changes into COOH, second carbon changes into COOH. H don't need to add because of every carbon they contain hydrogen nana. And by the addition of 4 oxygen, just oxidation nana. So cyclohexene upon oxidation with acidified KMnO4 gives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means we have to say that what hexane. Hexane 1,6 dioic acid. Okay, clear? Cyclohexane changes into hexane 1,6 dioic acid, and also we can say that name of this compound is called, the common name of this compound is called adipic acid. You know that name, very important. Okay, now beta. And like this, a few more questions are there that directly I will give you. Okay, now in the form of notes. So try to understand. If you are not going to get anything, ask me beta. Okay, all of you? Good. So complete as per NCERT textbook all the preparations of carboxylic acids. Their application point of view questions also clear. So in the next class, some more objective point of view preparations of carboxylic acids we are going to be discussing. Okay, beta.